Welcome to our LiLi cooking channel, where culinary delights come to life. Get ready to embark on a mouth-watering journey through a world of flavors, techniques, and irresistible recipes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, our channel is your ultimate destination for inspiration, education, and pure gastronomic pleasure. Join us as we explore the art of cooking from scratch, sharing our passion for creating delicious meals that will tantalize your taste buds. From classic comfort foods to exotic international dishes, we're here to ignite your culinary creativity and help you master the secrets of the kitchen. Sure. Here's a recipe for sloppy joes. Ingredients: 1 pound, 450 grams, ground beef. 2. 1 small onion, diced. 3. 1 small green bell pepper, diced. 4. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 5. Half cup ketchup. 6. 2 tablespoons tomato paste. 7. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 8. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. 9. 1 teaspoon mustard. 10. Half teaspoon chili powder, adjust to taste. 11. Salt and pepper to taste. 12. Hamburger buns. Instructions: heat a large skillet or frying pan over medium heat. Add the ground beef and cook until browned, breaking it up into crumbles as it cooks. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. 1. Tip: use a spatula or wooden spoon to break up the beef into smaller pieces as it cooks. Once the beef is cooked, drain any excess fat from the pan. You can do this by carefully tilting the skillet and using a spoon to scoop out the fat. Add the diced onion, green bell pepper, and minced garlic to the skillet with the ground beef. Cook until the vegetables are softened, about 5 minutes. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. In a small bowl, mix together the ketchup, tomato paste, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, mustard, chili powder, salt, and pepper. Stir well to combine and form a sauce. Pour the sauce mixture into the skillet with the ground beef and vegetables. Stir everything together until the beef is coated with the sauce and the ingredients are well combined. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together and the sauce to thicken slightly. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. While the sloppy joe mixture is simmering, you can prepare the hamburger buns. You can lightly toast them in a toaster or under the broiler, if desired. This helps to add a bit of crunch to the buns. Once the sloppy joe mixture has simmered and thickened slightly, remove it from the heat. It should have a rich, saucy consistency with a balance of flavors. Spoon the sloppy joe mixture onto the bottom half of each hamburger bun. You can spread it evenly to cover the entire bun or leave some open space for a more sloppy texture. Place the top halves of the hamburger buns on the sloppy joe mixture to create sandwiches. You can serve them open-faced or as traditional sandwiches. Serve the sloppy joes immediately while they're still warm. They can be accompanied by pickles, coleslaw, or a side of fries for a complete meal. Enjoy your homemade sloppy joes.